Hi folks, it's Mark Sugar here at Dodge City in Saskatoon on the corner of 8th Street East and Preston Avenue. Right under the big sign there. This is the back door entrance. That's nearby where I sit. So check this out, 2022 Charger Daytona Edition with the 5.7 liter HEMI in there. I already know that from the hood graphic right there. So sport hood on this one. Let's go around, let's have a good look on this one. Side angle profile. Let's have a look inside here. So let's take a look at the rims real quick here. So it's 20-inch rims. Take a look at the back seat here. The seats are pushed all the way back here, so you have leather with suede inserts. Very nice. Take a look in the trunk here. Lots of room in the trunk. You have a back console here. That'll open up. How does this open up? There you are. Your backseat passengers have their own heated seats, high and low, USB ports, pockets in the back of the seats. Decals, I should say. Those vents in the back here do exhaust. Nice brake lights. Base back camera, back badging. It's a little dirty right now. We're gonna get it shined up here. We just got this one in. Daytona Edition black on black. Let's take a look at the inside. Let's take a look at the window sticker here. So your warranty, 5 years or 100K, whatever comes first on the powertrain warranty, including 24-hour roadside assistance. Here's your gas mileage. It's all in Canadian kilometers. So you'll average 12 liters per 100 kilometers, 14 in the city, 9 on the highway, 23 miles per gallon. And right here, so this is the window sticker, 2022 Dodge Charger Daytona, base price $46,000, and then you add some optional equipment such as the Daytona Edition that includes the Nappa leather and the Alcantara faced front vented seats, front ventilated seats, and well, there's a lot. It's a big package, and the technology group with the advanced brake assist, lane departure warning, and lane keep assist, the driver convenience group, navigation and travel group, and this one comes with a compact spare. You have remote proximity entry on here, and here you will see we have the blind spot monitoring, defrost mirrors. Let's take a look inside. All right, so memory seating on the door here. Okay, like I said, we'll get it cleaned up. The floor mats aren't even in this one. We just got it in. I don't think the keys are in this one here, but oh, Dodge Brothers, designed in Detroit. Nice. Got your paddle shifters up here, adaptive cruise control, normal cruise control. Here is where you do all the settings on here. You touch it once, Siri, press and hold twice, and you get your voice commands for your Uconnect 5. So that's the newest and latest and greatest in software. 8.4-inch screen here. Oh, this is nice to the touch too. Some kind of silvery, I don't know, I like that. That looks good. Oh, this is all nice to the touch here. A little different on the Daytona Edition. Very nice. And these seats are just so comfortable too. USB ports. And then of course, your cup holders. All right, so heated seats, heated steering wheel. I'll have to do a part 2 on this. You have your sunglass holder here, your home link system right here, so you can program your garage door, whatever you want. Mirrors. All right, there's a quick look. Man, these seats though are just so nice to the touch, and they're just so comfortable. I really like that. Okay, well, I just wanted to check it out. Push button start in there. Let's go outside and have another look around at this Daytona Edition for 2022. I'm gonna take those yellow things off as soon as you come and buy it. Front profile. www.dodgecityauto.com. My personal webpage is www.marksugardrives.com. That's for Mark Sugar. That's all for now, folks. We'll talk to you soon. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Dodge City, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan.